how things are there before you actually build something.
Okay, give us a check of what's going on with this forecast and talking about accumulations.
Yeah. So we haven't had to deal with that much this winter, but here we go. There will be some of that tomorrow afternoon. Right now, we're still dealing with the wind. It is still screaming through central Ohio right now. The rain came through at midday and immediately raced off into West Virginia and Pennsylvania. So that is out of the region now. We're dry, but very windy. Big cloud cover out there, keeping everything obscured. 47 degrees at the airport, so it's mild. The wind right now, 21 miles per hour, and it is going to still be pretty gusty over the next few hours. 29 mile per hour sustained winds right now in Mount Vernon, 23 miles per hour in Circleville, London at 22 miles per hour, Courthouse 25. These are your wind gusts. Look at this, Newark with a 40 mile per hour wind gust right now, Lancaster 36 miles per hour, Marysville and Marion at 33. That's why your wind advisories are still in effect, especially to the north of Columbus. So Bucyrus and Upper Sandusky on up to the lake. It is going to remain very windy. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Mount Vernon at 43 degrees, 52 in Zanesville, Athens at 56. And the rest of your evening is mild. The temperatures are actually a little bit above average for this time of the year. We'll drop into the 30s, but overnight, the eventual low down to around 27 degrees. The wind will start to let up, and then we start talking about the potential for some snow. Here is midday tomorrow. Still dry, but by the middle of the afternoon, some of these snow showers start moving in. Some of this is likely to make the roads wet for the afternoon commute. Might even see a little of that starting to stick to the grass. And during the evening, southern Ohio is going to pick up the most of this, but we'll get some here in Columbus as well. And then it will race off to the east, so that even by the overnight hours into early Saturday, we're going to already see a lot of it tapering off. Northern Ohio, not going to get much, maybe up to a ½ inch. A lot of central Ohio, ½ inch likely, maybe up to a pocket of an inch here and there. Southern Ohio, where it snows a little bit heavier and a little bit longer, you could end up with 1 to 2. So the farther south you go, the more accumulation you are likely to get. But it's going to be kind of sloppy overnight, Friday into Saturday morning. If you've got plans Saturday morning, give yourself a little extra time because you might have some slick spots on the roads. Tomorrow morning, 27 degrees, not as windy as it is now. And then in the afternoon, here's that snow that starts to roll in. The temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s. So this is a wet snow, and that means it's not as much, it's harder for it to accumulate, but it will as the temperatures begin to fall. So mostly overcast tomorrow, scattered snow showers, 38 degrees in the afternoon. And on Saturday, some of that's going to stick around because the highs are only going to get to freezing. On Sunday, some sunshine, we'll do some melting at 42 degrees, and it looks beautiful for your President's Day Monday.